In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force quit Thinkorswim. If the platform freezes in the middle of a session, lags badly, or just won't close, a quick force quit through Windows Task Manager will shut it down safely and cleanly. Here's exactly how to do that, step by step, with clear signposts so you know you're in the right place. First, open Task Manager using the fastest shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together. Hold Ctrl and Shift, then tap Escape once. This opens Task Manager directly without navigating any menus. Once Task Manager is open, make sure you're viewing the Processes tab. This tab lists everything currently running, with apps shown near the top and background items below. You're looking for the Thinkorswim application entry, which may appear as Thinkorswim or Thinkorswim.exe. If your list is long, take a moment to scan the Apps section first. That's where it most often appears. You can also recognize it by its platform icon or by higher CPU or memory usage if it's the app causing the slowdown. When you see the entry for Thinkorswim, click it once to select it. A single click highlights the row so Windows knows which program you want to control. No need to double-click or open anything, just make sure the row is shaded to confirm it's selected. With Thinkorswim highlighted, click End Task in the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. This is the command that tells Windows to immediately terminate that program. Be aware that force quitting closes the app right away and discards any unsaved work inside the platform. That's normal for a force quit. It's designed to stop an unresponsive program instantly. After you click End Task, watch the Processes list. The Thinkorswim entry should disappear, and your system should feel more responsive within a few moments. If the entry vanishes, the force quit worked. That's all there is to it. Open Task Manager with Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Locate Thinkorswim on the Processes tab, select it, and choose End Task. This action only shuts down the running program. It doesn't uninstall anything or change your account or settings. Use this method anytime the platform hangs or refuses to close, and always remember the trade-off: speed and certainty in exchange for losing any unsaved changes in that session. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to a smooth, responsive desktop.